Let's fix this cracked windshield together. Zero experience in winter weather, -10 degrees Celsius or 14 Fahrenheit. I bought this cheap repair kit on Amazon. You can do multiple repairs. Perfect in my city because rock chips are super frequent. Here's a before and after video clip. Including the waiting time, the repair took me about an hour with zero experience. Let's get started.
ETC カードが挿入されていません。
The toolkit has everything you'll need to get the repair done, but here's some extra tools you might need to make it go easier. Gloves, paper towels, cleaner, scissors, and a hairdryer. I couldn't find proper rubbing alcohol, so I'm using this sanitizer to do the cleaning. I learned the hard way, but you should clean the entire glass to find any more additional rock chips. Once it's clean, you can add the applicator. I find it helps if you press down right on these suction cups like this. Now double check from the inside that the applicator is centered. The rubber tip here is what presses up onto the glass. Now we simply screw it on and press up against the glass. Open up the tiny resin bottle and apply the resin inside the applicator. A couple of drops. Tighten the second part of the applicator to press the resin into the glass. Now it looks like it hasn't gotten rid of all the air bubbles. The instructions recommend backing it up and applying more pressure, but after the second time it's still there. I'm gonna try applying more. I repeat steps 4 through 5 in the instructions. Backing it up for a third time. And let's also try applying heat. But I'm gonna take an old hair dryer and heat it up, help it along just because it's a little bit colder. It looks like the bubble is gone. It's been 6 minutes and it looks pretty good from all angles. I don't see any bubbles or cracks. Now the crack looks much smaller, but it's still visible. I'm gonna add more resin right on top of the crack. And then this drying sheet right on top to protect it. Now I'm supposed to let ultraviolet light cure the resin, which means I have to take it outside. I'm gonna let it cure here for about 10 minutes in the sun. It's been 10 minutes curing. I can't really see it. Back inside the garage, remove the curing piece. You could see the thin film. Now grab the razor blade that's included in the kit. Just scrape it off at a 90-degree angle. I think this was the most tedious step of the process. It looks pretty good. And here's the finished product. Here's a comparison of the before and after video. You can see it's pretty much disappeared. I'm gonna rate the difficulty as a 3 on 10. You just need extra tools and patience. Cheaper than a Big Mac meal and a level up on skill points. Now I can repair the second one I found. So the question, can you repair your windshield in your garage by yourself with an Amazon kit in -14 degrees weather? Yes! Quick update, here's the repair 1 week later. But the biggest heartbreak was this. I didn't spot this crack because it was under a dirty windshield. That's the biggest tip. Please clean your entire windshield and keep an eye out on the cracks. Have you done this repair before? Let me know in the comments and keep an eye on the description box as I'll update you on the progress on the original repair.